one people, and me are one of them people there. Zaga, run the rhythm, make us sing something. Representing for the Reggae Boyz community. Listen to me. Everybody wave on a flag, them plenty. And get him at Reggae Boyz. Sang digga digga ding dang digga digga ding dang digga digga ding dang dang. Sang digga digga ding dang digga digga ding dang dang dang. Bang digga digga ding dang digga 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 ding dang. How Reggae Boyz a play. And none of them team they no bad like we. And none of them team they not tough like we. And none of them team they no rough. Lives a treasure that cannot.
Watch this, someone. Pause. Watch out, man. Watch out. Keep the camera rolling because life a keep. This is June 6th. Come out and support Reggae Boyz. You hear that? Yeah. Road to World Cup. You know me there with Hector. Michael Hector. What you have to say, bro? June 6th. What you have to say, bro?
Come out, yeah. Come out.
Yeah, come out, yeah. What you saying, bro?
June 6th. Come on, come support.
Yeah. So what you say? June what?
June 6th.
June 6th what?
Come on.
Where?
Go see them on them go.
Alright. See, what's what I say? June 6th. What go on?
Come on, people.
That me I talk about. Man like Michael, yeah, what you say, bro? June 6th,
Come
yeah?
out, bro.
Yeah, bro. What you saying, Bobby the Cadova? Bobby the Cadova. Man like Pepe, yeah? Nana. What you saying, Fire? Man, a Bob Marley grandson this. Come on, come support. Tell him the Fire, man. Legend, yeah? Yeah, man. You think a prince, a king? Man like Alex, yeah, what you say? June 6th?
Yeah, man.
This year, what you say?
Step.
Step.
Oh, no.
What you say? Mad enough?
Pull up.
What you say?
Pull up.
Pull up. You hear that? Pull up. Yo, Papi, what you say, Papa?
Oh, man, everybody have to roll.
You hear that? Life a keep. Keep the camera rolling. Man like bacon. What you saying, bro?
Yeah, man.
What? Yeah, man, what?
Nothing else to say.
June what?
June 6th.
Alright, that is it. Where next, man? Oh, see, boss, yeah? Pastor Dex. What you saying, bro? June 6th, what? Keep the camera rolling, cause life a keep. When you come out early, yeah? Words of prayer from Dex. Man like Tavon. Where you say, bro? June 6th. One more Bob Marley grandson, yeah? Oh, see, Bob Marley grandson, where you say, bro? June 6th?
Yeah, man, June 6th. Come out, man. Come out, people.
Yeah, next Bob Marley grandson. Where you saying, bro? June 6th. Yeah. Listen. June 6th, them says, yeah. So I don't know where it go. Oh, what time again?
June 6th at 6.
6:30? Listen, 6:30, not Renee, 6:30. Yeah? 6:30, come out. What them say, what? Where in Mobile them can get the ticket? Them want ticket in Mobile. No, look who scan something on Mobile.
JFF.football, JFF website, JFF.football.
The people them want the scanner, easy something, where them can scan. An international thing, none of these things are local. All them are these things are local. Everyone who have it all about. No marketing thing not deal with. Mobile, Chelani, all about, who have the thing. I want to know. Parker, what you say?
Yeah, June 6th, come on.
Yeah, you hear that? From the legend Parker Blacks. Yeah. Listen, man. We just done chain, yeah? Tired, put in some work, you know it go. Guys, listen. For real. Come out and support us. Yeah. Road to World Cup, we don't know. A big thing. So, see the captain here of the ship. Coach, this is the real marketing, yeah? So tell them, walk on. Walk on, yeah? This is the captain of the ship. Road to World Cup 2026. Come out June 6th. And support us. Miran, come, because it's a real marketing, they don't need them. June 6th. Coach Miran, I represent. 6:30, not Renee, 6:30, yeah? Alright. And this was the birthday boy. Happy belated birthday. This is the birthday boy. John, what you said, John? June 6th?
June 6th.
Yeah.
Must.
Come out and support Reggae Boyz. We all need your support. Yes. And the key is, you know, the main thing, make you all have enjoy the game and have a wonderful time in the stands. But we need all of you guys. So come out and support us. Yeah. Oh, one more. Next coach and goalkeeper coach. What you say, June 6th?
Yes.
June 6th, come out and support Reggae Boyz.
Come out.
We need each and every one.
We need everyone to come out and support the Reggae Boyz on June 6th. See you then.
Yeah. JFF. We are the real marketing. Give me a 3-year contract. I'm showing the real marketing. You see that? See what people have us already? You see that? Look. I still make them say entertainment. You see that? I know football alone. I entertainment to know. Entertainment to know. Entertainment to know. I'm doing enough entertainment. Entertainment, I lie? Yeah. But for real though, June 6th, come out, 6:30.
Come early.
Yeah, come early and support Reggae Boyz. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Where them forget ticket? I'm telling them when forget ticket, we not have look giveaway to give a ticket to win ticket. Have look thing there.
Yes, that's coming this week, folks. Billboards everywhere. You have the scanner. So you pick up your phone. You go search.
Me not talk about no billboard. Me talk about giveaway. We not have look competition to give away look ticket. 10 ticket now, kill or 20 ticket. Give away look competition. Give away. Tell them this.
Follow JFF football and you see more ticket giveaway.
Listen, you can't do it so. You can't do it so. When a live a cut, you go up on the page and do enough to do and give you 20 ticket. I saw it go. I saw no one people come up and them win some ticket. Listen again. Keep the camera rolling, yeah? Because life a keep. You hear that? Yeah. I don't know it go. I don't know that go. Keep the camera rolling.
Come and see
And
Boza.
2026, you know. You hear that? Respect to 98. But 2026 right now.
18 goals,
Are the key.
47 games. Boza
Yeah,
is
but
coming.
you know what? Take it step by step. First one, June 6, and then we'll move on to the 9. You get me? And then we'll move on to Copa America, focus on Copa America.
Cooper.
Yes, focus on Copa America. And then after,
Nation
get some rest, Nation League. But no, I take it step by step. We can't talk
One game at a time.
about Copa right now. Right now, World Cup qualify right now. June 6. You get me? Yeah.
Bring everybody comes to
June 6. And you tell you now, come out in our numbers. This is a real market. Actually, the people them love it. They see that? Them stand up still on the live. There's a life in a dead. I mean them on my name. If me never play football or entertainment. Either music and bus too. What he did? Bye. But I'm telling you. Watch out. You see that? Real marketing. This is not need nobody. You see that? But I think coach already, man. Coach don't tell him already, man. Come on, man. Put some flag, no, man. Put some flag, no, man. Don't like the live. Put some flag, no, man. With some flag, no. With some flag. This is a real marketing. They don't need to change. Long the people stand up here, so them love it. I be laughing. I know my life now a job. See there? See there? No. On TikTok this. On TikTok this. This is a real life thing. Give me some flag. Blacks. You take one glass? Oh. See that? I'll be a Jamaica flag. See that? See that? I'll be a Jamaica flag. Coach, come look. Look for the Jamaica flag, them look. See what Jamaica flag, coach? Ask them walk one. Walk one.
All good?
Yeah. Coach, give me a look at Patwa now. Give them a look at Patwa, man.
Patwa?
Walk one.
Me there.
Alright, you see that? When you see that? If you want more, come out June 6. Live, we're not going to hear coach on the sideline. Boza, walk one! So come out June 6. You hear that? Don't miss. If you miss this, come out and support Reggae Boyz. We all need your support, yeah? So watch out. Time for going now. So if you want more, tune in later. I want to get more. Yeah? June 6, we'll walk out through the tunnel, yeah? See that people love the live, you see that? You see that? They love the live, a real entertainment this. Watch it. Papi! Papi! Everything! Skinny! Bye! You see that?
Hold on, wait for Parker, no?
Get a look at moving legend. Let's look around. Let's look around. Hey. Alright then. June 6. We don't know how it go. Yeah. What phone, Papi?
Wait for them.
Look at this, see. Simon, you just rush the phone, some man, and market, you know what you don't want fans them come out. Text from Zed. Watch out.
No, I comment.
Is it there?
I comment on every month.
No man, comments good man. Simon, Simon. Tell him no man.
June 6th, National Stadium, 6:30. Come with us on this journey. Come with us on this journey, man.
Leave the man no man. Simon, talk no man. A real man can go and say no.
We need everybody. We need everybody. From Westmoreland, go to St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Everybody, come out.
Yeah.
June 6th, 6:30 p.m. Come see man like Boza.
Yeah.
Kaim Dixon.
Man like, no man, listen to Jamaica, this Papa P. Yeah, for real though, come on, support us. Don't know it, me and Papa P there.
Come out, we need it.
Yeah.
The 12 man.
If you don't want to see everything, skinny dip. You see? If you don't want more, come on. I don't know where you go. Yeah.
Save the line.
That's safe, man. A real marketing this, man. Listen, see after this, we're not have a competition where you can win. I will make sure so you can win at least 30 tickets. Since they want to come out, you have to do some little giveaways. You get me? Yeah, so you can win ticket and come out. You get me? Yeah, and I'm going to see tweets say, that go on. Put pressure. You get me? Yeah. Battery are not done, man. Full battery this, man. Yeah, what you say, June 6? Yes, sir. Bob Marley next grandson, yeah. See that? Next grandson, yeah. So much grand. There's so much of Bob Marley grandson there. One. Next Marley. Bob Marley grandson there, man. Gee, that they just go, you see. Next startups, brother, yeah. Dover. Man like Mikkel, yeah. Chung like Lion. And you know who this? Bob Marley next grandson. Wow, are the big grandson this? Yeah, I don't know. How it go? You go put yourself, you know you go. You know you go look more again. You know you go look more again. Yeah, we'll go live again, I don't know. Or some giveaways later. You get me, son, you can win some ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah. No. Same, bro. My name's Bob Marley grandson too.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, who no want see? Tell me who no want see. Yes, sir.
Like people running around. I prefer to do that.
Stadium full of them, say.
I know. I prefer
water.
construction shit.
Listen, guys. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Love and respect. The man to any island. Are you saying the people them come over here? Nana. Where's Nana? See Nana, yeah?
Get him in here.
Are you saying the fans them over here? Go over JFS like go type in Nana.
I say the fly back.
Yeah.
What? I say a thing, nigga.
Marketing me I need right now. Marketing. Pay check. What up on the pay? Listen up.
Yeah.
JFS, listen what going on real, man. Them no need 876. Let's bring this check and come. I want to give me the... Eh? You know, let them move from that. Up and up, it go up and up. Entertainment, real entertainment this.
Make sure say
Yes,
six. Make sure say 600 of them where the panties are right now. Make sure say them damn much.
No, them a come out. The 600,
After there.
the 600 them a come out. Plus the next 50,000 people them are supposed to come. Them a come too.
600 of them to carry 600 somebody.
And the next 600 somebody have to bring 600 more somebody.
Yeah.
And I say it go on.
keep the cycle going.
See, somebody on a life here, tell on a cousin, tell on a friend, tell on a mother, tell on a father, tell all the relative, all the loved one. When you come out, enjoy, come have a cup of beer. Uno drink, can have a, you know, have water, have Gatorade and everything. We have the peanut them, we have the snacks them. You know what I'm saying? My. Woo. Woo. Remember me, my mama even. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola. Oh.
Hello. How are you? You good? Good to see you.
After I have some giveaways, you get me? Yeah.
Yeah, I hear you. I can't hear you.
Listen, when you come out, because stay home can't skate on the tour. When you come over stadium, come skate. Alright?
Alright.
Stay home can't skate on tour.
Yeah, skate.
So we have to explain to our
Stay home can't skate on tour. When you come out, come skate over stadium. Stadium and no house. Stadium and no house. Bring on the blanket over stadium and sleep.
Leave.
June 6, when you come over stadium, come sleep. Choose stadium over an house. Hey, bed can't skate on the tour. Hey, only you can't skate on the tour. Oh, when you come over stadium, come skate June 6. I like. When I go like say, stay in the house or stay home can skate on the toll. Eh? June 6, stay home can skate on the toll. Come over stadium, come skate. What is? Stadium and no house. June stadium and no house. Stadium over house. So what is? June 6 come the man. And King side men over stadium, you know. June 6. Alright? Oh, they will put house over football. Listen, right now, listen, you see June 6, just sell on the house and just go buy a beer ticket. Listen, June 6, sell on the house and buy a beer ticket and come skate over stadium. Yo, live fireman. June 6. Stay home, can skate on the tour. Oh, sell on the house and buy a beer ticket. Sell on the house and buy a beer ticket, buy a beer blanket and come sleep over stadium. I done sell my house already because I buy more ticket for my family. Yeah, I sell my house dog from both. But last week, last week I sell my house and buy a beer ticket for my family and my friend them. House can skate June 6. House can skate June 6. Stay home can skate. When you buy a beer ticket and beer blanket and cover stadium. That's you want to tell me say them grandfather kidney and buy a beer ticket. You ain't that serious, you know, man. You ain't that serious, you know, man. You're not that serious. Save your grandfather life, you're not that serious. Yeah, when you sell somebody, when you sell something, I sell on the car and buy a beer ticket. Yeah. Man say he want to sell him grandfather kidney. Baby, the boy say he want to sell him grandfather kidney and buy pay ticket. It's not that serious, man. Save your grandfather, man. I'm too no. Life over everything, you know, man. And that more rent a jet and pack it up. Pack up the whole of your family and jet and come. Come skate June 6 over stadium. Yeah, boy, I give up. What I mean, you're not serious. Make him sell the kid today. No, you're not serious. You're not serious. No, sir. But yeah, man, serious thing though. You just come out and support Reggae Boyz. But, you know, after the live, I have some giveaways. About 30 tickets will give away. They get me? I'll make sure someone buy the ticket them. I'll make sure someone get it. You get me? Yeah, make sure someone win some ticket. Yes. Yeah, wait till them and say. Them leave up yourself. Them should put yourself in the link, you say no. You know what it is. More hear the pot cover. More hear. Come on, Reggae Boyz. Come on. More hear non-stop thing. Yes, guys. June 6. That's what I talk about. Just June 6. But I take it step by step. You get me? Step by step. Right now the main focus is June 6. You get me? We're not talking about no Copa right now. June 6.
June 6. June. Oh,
Blessings, you know.
that's the one, you don't focus. Honey and bug. You know it, come on.
June 6 was skate.
Driver. Get famous. Big up yourself. World driver.
You have to feel like firing.
June 6. June 6.
Still there, real marketing this. Real marketing this. Yeah. Keep it.
Man, my bad.
Loads now.
Today. Anthony.
Them say me, I keep this JSF page up in there, so I know it go. Now I show them.
Get right back. Get busy. Get busy. Ah, oh, this play.
Everything. We're not going. We're not going. We're not going. Go on, man. Watch out. Watch out, madman is. We didn't have some water now. What about the water in there? Yeah. Put some water in there, please.
Peace. 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 Peace.
Right now, I'm still here. Papa. Where's the boy? Everything. Why?
Hey. Hey.
Why? 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 Where now we are rush go? Get this ice water and cool down. Oh.
Alright, I must have before we go here there.
Nah.
I get that.
I'm here now, can't come here.
Physio. I can't. Yo, country. Big up yourself, fam.
Ice water and skate for the tour.
Big up man like Alex Marshall. You know Wappy, man. Oh, another Wappy. We know a different Wappy.
One shot for June 6th. A shot is a June 6th. Look. One shot. One shot for June 6th. Me and a shot that one for June 6th. That cheers.
Yo, Shaman. Big up yourself, fam.
You think him rum? You think him rum? You think him rum? You think him rum? Ain't not lying. You think him rum? Ain't not
Hey. Yo, make Simon get a dance move.
Simon, you look a move.
You something, Simon. Hey.
Come. You sure? Go for it? Okay.
Yo, darling, please.
Yeah. Yo, listen, right now, we're in this alive. Yeah. So after we get back, later, I'll stay this live. Yeah.